Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see actually we are going to design a new part because we haven't designed any part in last 3 days. So let's see today what we can do. I have opened a workbench for us, and let's go with the XY plane. Go with the sketch, and what we can do, we can go and select yeah, elongated holes. But what we are going to do is, this is saying elongated hole, but we are not going to make any holes in here. So what we are going to do, we are going to just let's go with the center line, and like this, and yeah, like this. That's okay. And I think we could increase the length for this, like let's go with the constraint tool and give it a dimension first. It's 60. If we drag like this, yeah, it's 60. So let's give it a dimension of 120. Yeah, now that's okay. And 10 is the width. So let's exit the sketch, and what we can do, we can go with the padding. Yes, and the height will be 100 Let's preview it. Okay, and let's rotate this. Sorry, let's rotate this. I think we should increase the height. So part body object, edit input, sketch 2 parameters, cancel, part body, pad, edit. Let's increase it to 150 preview. Okay, now it's looking much better. Now what we have to do, we have to go and select this surface and go for the sketch part. Where did it go? uh, yeah, so what was the sketch we are going to draw once? Let's exit first, and let's zoom in, select this, go for sketch, and let's zoom it. And what we are going to do, we are going to again select this one, and let's off the snap to point, and let's draw a point over here. That's all, and give it a dimension. I didn't get that. Let's hit this point. Yeah, and let's give it a dimension of 20 so double click it, 20, enter. And dimension of this point to the center line will be 10 so give it 10 yeah. And what we are going to do now, we are going to exit this, and let's carve a hole, not like that. We are going for the 20 again, preview. It's much deeper, I think so. Let's go with 10. Yeah, that's okay. It okay. So if we zoom out and rotate this, what it's looking like? It's looking like a hard disk drive. if you go reframe on, yeah, that's okay now. So what more we can do in this? We can select this surface again, go with sketch, and go with another this one, and hit OK. Exit the sketch, and what we can do, slot, will it go like that? Center curve. Okay, center curve will be the profile, and the center curve must not be on a parallel. So let's skip this and go with the cut out, and go with the 2 mm, preview it. Okay, so it's getting some designs now, I think so. Same with the back side of this. So let's go with this here. Let's rotate this, select this surface, go with the sketch, and again what we are going to do, we are going to select this one, point over here, point over here, and let's go like this. And what we can do, we can exit this, go with another hole with 2 mm. Okay, so now it's looking much better. So I think that's all for today, and we will see some more part, or we will first discuss some more of the tools over here, and then we will go on in the next videos. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.